What is going on, my stock market bulls and bears? It is your boy, Terry Stonkers, and welcome to the channel, baby. Buy the dip. All right, guys, I'm here to talk about a stock today that I'm going to be adding to the portfolio and wanted to let you all know about it. We have covered this a few different times on the channel, back when this was in a SPAC phase, actually. And if you remember the SPAC craze, this ticker on the SPAC was SBE. So we're going back when it was Switchback Energy. But now it has grown up and is matured into Chargepoint. That's right. Ticker symbol CHPT. Chargepoint is going to be one of the leading electric vehicle chargers out there. And this is going to be a great play, guys. This is one that's going to be growth after growth after growth these next few years. Just great future ahead. I'm looking to add this stock. They did release earnings today. We're going to go over some of the key points in the earnings. The stock did go down a little bit. It was pretty good news overall, honestly. But as we know in this market, you do pretty good earnings and your stock still goes down. Now, it didn't tank, which is good. Honestly, I wouldn't mind if this would come down a little bit more. That'll help me get them at a cheaper price. But right now, the stock ended the regular trading day at 21.78, and we ended after hours at 21.19. All right, real quick. So we're going to go look here. Down here, here's kind of some of the key articles you're going to go. If you go right under here, you're going to see here on the Yahoo Finance. Chargepoint reports third quarter fiscal 2020 year financial results. They raised the full year guidance. And also we got here on Market Watch, Chargepoint Q3 revenues better than expected. They raised the financial year 2022 outlook. So I like the way that Market Watch kind of laid out the earnings report. It makes it pretty simple just for anyone to follow along. So let's go through this together. Chargepoint's Q3 revenue better than expected raises the 2022 outlook. So electric vehicle charging network Chargepoint reported their latest quarter at a high end of its guidance and raised its full year outlook as it continues to add charging ports. The company reported $65 million in revenue for the third fiscal quarter of 2022, up from $36.4 million a year earlier. The company had guided for $60 million to $65 million. It had roughly 163,000 ports as of October 31st, compared with more than 118,000 as of July 31st. The company had a loss of $69.4 million compared to a loss of $40.9 million a year earlier. On a per share basis, this loss was 21 cents. For the fourth quarter, it expects revenue of $73 to $78 million. For the year, it now expects $235 million to $240 million. It had previously given a range of $225 to $235. So that's the quick rundown on that article. If we go over here and take a look at what Yahoo Finance has to say for this, their quarterly revenue increased 79% year over year. That's a key one there to keep an eye on. Full year revenue guidance raised from 235 to 240 million. Activated ports approximately 163,000 as of October 31st, and approximately 45,000 ports in Europe. See, that's why I like going to different articles, because this article may give you a little bit more information than what the other article did, and we didn't hear about the Europe expansion in this one as well, guys. So very key that I like that they're getting in Europe. Here we go. Closed acquisition of European e-mobility technology provider has to be an e-bus and commercial vehicle management provider, Very City. So that is pretty exciting, guys. This one here, as you can see, Chargepoint delivers another strong quarter as we have continued to scale our commercial, fleet, and residential verticals across 2 continents. That is beautiful, said the president and CEO of Chargepoint. So down here is more of the revenue and gross margin and the net income. So pretty key stuff here, guys. You can go to their website here, chargepoint.com. It'll pretty much go through everything you need to know. Hundreds and thousands of places to charge. I mean, it says here we do it all. 105 million charges delivered and counting. Just kind of going over a couple of the highlights. Get on here and check it out. Guys, you go follow them here on StockTwits. There's over 52,000 watchers on StockTwits. There is a lot of bulls in here. Let's put it that way. As you can see, 9 new posts since I started this video. A lot of people predicting that this is going to be like a $40 to $45 stock here later this year. As we know, Charlie did a video from Zip Trader on Chargepoint, and he's pretty bullish on Chargepoint as well. Now, also, I did a video, as you can see here, December 13th, 2020. Chargepoint is here in my local town here in Maryland. So that was pretty cool. That was back before the channel was just kind of still picking up subscriber base. And like I said, this was back during the SPAC craze about a year ago, almost the 1 year anniversary, about a week off for a 1 year anniversary since that video was recorded at the local mall near my area. And yeah, go check that out. Probably I'll put the link to this down there, and you can watch like the first minute or so of the video. Actually, you know what? We got time. Let's watch it right now. Actually, let's just do that, man. Go back a little bit here and watch. This be pretty funny, actually. What's going on, my stock market bulls and bears? I'm your host Terry, and welcome to the channel. By the dip, that is right, guys, and we are here right at the Chargepoint charging stations in my hometown. I covered this, guys, about 2 months ago on the channel, and boy, has this stock really taken off since I've covered this 2 months ago. My man Wancho gave me the lead on this. So now, guys, we are covering right here today that Chargepoint is making its way around. See, we got fans going by. We got Chargepoint taking up big in my little hometown. So imagine how the charging stations at Chargepoint are going to take over in the whole U.S. when the EV market keeps getting more popular, guys. So hope you're all ready for today's video. If you are, hit the thumbs up and join the thumbs up nation. So guys, let's get to it, baby. Let's go. Yes, the old intro too, man, with the Ric Flair strut. Oh man, that was
all right, guys. Hope you all enjoyed that intro. We got a special guest, my boy Oscar here, Daddy's boy. That's right.
Yeah, so there we had our buddy, our boy Oscar. We recently had to put him down now, but we do got a new cat, Bella. She is a ball of energy. Here you can see switch back. It wasn't even Chargepoint back when I did this video, guys. The first one I did in this was even probably back in September, October of 2020. But this is the one I wanted to show because I was live on the scene at Chargepoint stations. That stock was trading at $37.49. Now, keep in mind, we know what was going on in December 2020. A lot of euphoria. The stocks was just going nuts. So, yeah, keep that in mind as well, guys. Stocks was going crazy, and I think we're going to get back to that price. I really do. I think we're going to get back to 37, if not. We're trading at 21 something, right? 21.19 or something right now. So I think we're going to get back to here. I think here at the end of this year, beginning of next year, stocks are going to start to rally, and the good small cap stocks, and this is one of them, that's going to rally. And I think it's going to hit anywhere from 30 to 35 to 40. I mean, 30 to 40 bucks. I mean, I'm thinking 2022, this could easily hit $35 to $40 in my personal opinion. Whether I'm right or wrong, that will remain to be seen. I mean, I know they lost money on the earnings. It says right here, Chargepoint Holdings earnings per share missed by 5 cents, but they did beat on the revenue. So here you can see another Seeking Alpha article. Chargepoint holds boost revenue guidance as it stays strong. Growth stays strong. So they're growing the company. They're putting more charging stations all over the place. So they're in 2 continents, just loading up these charging stations. And we know Biden and the administration is going to be supporting this movement because we want to get the clean energy. So, all right, guys, hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash thumbs up, leave a comment down below. It helps out the algorithm, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace.